Hi guys, today I arrived from Noctua, the kit for build the fan of Noctua on the DC on CPU for build in another direction, because actually, okay, this is the manual. Actually, the cooler, it's the fan of the cooler, it's direction from the VGA, is not from the exit for exhaust of the fan of the case, but it's another direction. So for 19 degrees you need to ask from the website of Noctua. You can ask the kit for your cooler, and after maybe 2 week work week, it's arrive the kit.